Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today is Project 350Z. My buddy Sean, I don't know if you guys are watching the channel. He's been on here a couple times. Hoonigan styled, fully gutted, V8, twin turbo, all types of goodies, man.
Stupid. Alright, we're just gonna disassemble just for the part one. We're gonna do a head gasket change, and then we're gonna do a whole timing change. I'm gonna buy a timing kit and all that and replace it all.
Today's goal, we're just gonna try and disassemble the car, disassemble the motor down, get the heads off, get the gasket off, clean everything up, get ready for reinstall when he gets the new gasket kit in and the new timing kit in. But for now, I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod. Me and him's gonna start tackling this down. I'll walk you guys through what we're doing. We got the intake manifold off. A couple bolts on each end, unscrewed that, and then ba-bam, slid the thing right off. One step closer, Sean. We're gonna start to proceed, get this whole harness disconnected, coil packs off, coolant line disconnected, and then heads come right out. Ba-bam! That make it sound easier than
yeah, it's a little more than that.
Alright. Dude, you know what we're forgetting?
What?
Beer.
I don't got any beer though.
We gotta go get some, dude.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. We gotta be half retarded doing this, dude. We can't be sober. Ain't that right, y'all? Y'all not agree?
We gotta stop what we're doing.
We have to stop immediately, dude. We cannot proceed. 350Zs require alcohol consumption before working on it. Read it. It's in the manual, dude.
Oh, it is.
Yes.
Just gonna see that down.
10 mil right there. Check, buddy. Sorry, I'm recording, man. I give you a hand. I'm just here for moral support, man. Bam! Woo! Damn, dude, that's like 50 foot-pounds on that little 10 mil bolt.
After you take off the plenum and you take off the wiring harness, everything is disconnected. It should be pretty easy. Make sure you guys are you're labeling all your connectors. You're gonna take the fuel rail out. It's just this hose right here that's disconnected right here. You'll have a hose connected right here, which is this. Then you've got two bolts for this part. I don't know what this is called. Disconnect that. You gotta be careful. You'll get some fuel come out of here. So make sure you cover that up. And then you'll have 4 bolts. So it's 6 bolts altogether, but there's 4 connected to the fuel rail, 2 on each side. All right, we're gonna set that bitch down. Right here, we're gonna drape.
We're gonna go into an intermission because as of right now, it's time to go get some beer, boys. Beer. Most of the harness is disconnected. I think we're gonna start tearing out the timing cover and all that next. Next piece we're removing is the center piece right here. We've got about 8 bolt holes on each side. 1, 2, 3, or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this bad boy, go ahead, dude. Do the honors. This is your car. Bam!
We got on the back end.
Oh, really?
No, it's just a zip tie.
All right, we got that center piece out. I think how we're gonna proceed next, we're gonna go start digging into the valve covers. All right, you guys, we just got back from the liquor store. Went and got some brews because can't work on a car being sober. That's how you mess things up. You gotta drink beer and alcohol. We got Patron IPAs because that's all I drink. I'm an IPA guy. Sean, what you doing back there, dude? You giving her a rim job?
I just spice things up a little bit.
All right, buddy. Update. Started removing the valve covers. We got about 8 bolts on each side, 4 on one side here and 4 on this side as well. That will be the next step, and then after we get the valve covers off, we will proceed with our next move. Well, Sean's taking a cigarette break. Dude, you're so gay, dude. I don't even know why I'm friends with you, dude. I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding. That hit the soft spot right there. Uh-oh. Oh, there she is. My milk of magnesia. You gonna be the camera lady for us today?
I can.
I'll just put it on the tripod. It don't matter.
So why you asking?
I figured you want to be involved. Yeah. It's all about team effort, boys. That's what we do around here. All right, update. Boom, valve covers is off. Next step is the timing cover right here. Sean, tell them what you did down there, buddy.
Oh, we're draining the coolant, bro. Draining the coolant.
Yeah, we had a little mess down here, but we got the coolant drained. I'm sorry for the improper lighting. We're trying to get professional lighting in here, but fluorescent lights are not doing the job. We need LED fluorescent.
We need to get some shop lights. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, we need them shop lights. Hey, but just to give you guys another heads up, we did go to a liquor store. Tara's here now. She's supposed to help out with the camera. She's part of the camera crew.
No, I'm helping.
I am now promoting you to lead camera manager.
No, I'm
You're supposed to be.
them modify their car.
Oh yeah, that's right. Earlier I told you guys that we'd have to have some sort of alcohol consumption before turning any bolts on this, and that was correct. What's up, dude? Oh, more coolant.
There's no end to this. For any of you Z guys that want a Koyo radiator, buy a 90-degree fitting for the drain plug. I have yet to get that. The drain plug shoots to the back of the engine, the firewall. I'm not even using it right now. I'm using the lower hose because that's too messy. Too messy. Buy a 90-degree angle. We need to get this cover off. Yeah. But we need to get the belts off first.
Yeah.
I need a beer.
You need a beer.
You know what you need?
You want some pizza?
Dude, I'm baked.
You need some dick, dude.
Some pizza?
You need some dick?
Yeah, you need some dick. You don't get none.
I did 8 months ago.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude.
Pizza?
Yeah. Pizza!
Pizza.
That's right, boys. Hey, actually, another pro tip. I'm not a pro, but I'm just saying it's a pro tip. Hey, pizza, beer, vehicle maintenance. Ain't nothing better than that. Boom.
And we need some beef jerky because we're f***ing men.
Yum.
Look at that flag, dude. You tell me what country that is. Japan?
Merc!
Is that on rock road?
It's like yellow outside.
Look at the clouds outside, you guys. I'm sorry for the poor lighting. And I know this is off topic from the 350, but wow, it's nuts outside right now. This is the Midwest.
I think it's gorgeous. It's like a weird, like reddish hue outside. Like it's weird. Your wrench. Like you see, you're like speeding up.
The action time is
That's how you do it, bro.
You go faster and faster.
We don't do no bullshit.
right?
Ooh, you're nasty, dude.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. This is how 350Z owners smoke cigarettes.
Flip black.
Let me see. Nah, you're good, dude.
I burnt my tongue.
You know, we're actually not putting a new head gasket in. We're kind of just rolling up pieces of paper and then filling in the grooves to hopefully. Yeah, you know what? I think the alcohol was a bad idea because we kind of got off of
Track here.
off track, dude.
That's fine. We got time.
There's a fiery buffalo.
But you know, when they see that R32 in the background, they probably don't even give a shit about your car no more, dude. They're probably like, oh, dude, what's up with the R32?
I mean, it's cool, but it's mainly stock. I mean, they just up the boost.
I'm gonna go tell Matt you said that, dude.
And I get mad. He's like, bro, I got it.
Yo, Matt. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, mate.
Woo! Tequila. All right, you guys, overview of what we got done today. Radiator fans, condenser, front end completely tore apart, ready to get removed. Valve covers are off, middle plenum harness has been completely disassembled. Intake manifold, intake actually has been removed. Plenum intake, fuel rail, injectors, coolant lines. We got pretty far today. Pretty proud of how far we got. It's a mess right now. We kind of got too out of control with the alcohol, so we kind of we got to a complete stop. A stopping point for now. We'll hit it again tomorrow or not, or whatnot. Crash beam has been removed. Mishimoto oil cooler has been also pushed out of the way. But I say that's a good stopping point for today. Sean's already packed up. He's putting Lucas to sleep. Me and Tara are gonna continue on taking shots and probably crash. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, the progress that we got today in part 1 of the 350 head gasket removal. And then see you guys in part 2. Thank you.